All right, let's look at the homework 9.5, problem number 3. All right, let's solve this first order linear equation. All right, so as usual, I would like to have a 1 in front of du over dt. I'm going to just divide it through by quantity 8 plus t. All right, so you're going to get du over dt and plus 1 over 8 plus t u is equal to 1. All right, so we can see that here this is our p of x, and 1 is q of x. All right, so let's find the integrating factor I. So this is going to be e to the integral 1 over 8 plus t dt. All right, so this is going to be e to the, so antiderivative is natural log of 8 plus t. All right, so we don't have to worry about the absolute value really, because t is greater than 0, so 8 plus t is never negative. All right, then so we can cancel e and the natural log, and we end up getting just simply 8 plus t. All right, so what you get is we know that the solution u is going to be 1 over I, which is 8 plus t, and the integral of q of x, which is 1, times I. So you have 8 plus t dt. Right? So what you get is going to be, right, so 1 over 8 plus t. Right, so if you multiply, if you take the antiderivative of 8, you get 8t plus antiderivative of t would be t squared over 2, right? Then plus some constant c. All right, so we have that, and that's one way to write it. And another way to write that would be, so we can write it probably this way, right? So here, 1 over 8 plus t, right? Then we can think of the antiderivative of this is going to be add 1 to the power 2 divided by that power 2 plus some constant c. This is going to be equivalent to what we had before. All right, then this is going to be equal to, we can just distribute this guy to each of these terms. So we end up getting, so one of them cancel out. So you have 8 plus t over 2 plus c over 8 plus t. Right? You can do either one. I'm going to just type in this one first. All right, see if they like it. All right, so what you get is going to be u is equal to, all right, so you have a fraction here, 8 plus t over 2 plus c over a plus t. Right, so let's double check, submit for testing. All right, it came back and we got this one correctly. All right, if you want to try the other one, let's try the other one, see if it's correct too. All right, so we had 1 over 8 plus t, right? Then we had at plus t squared over 2 plus some constant c. All right, let's see if they like that answer. So submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like it takes this answer as well. All right, so either way, that's it. I hope that this was clear.